Hello and welcome to Spring 2024 and our continued journey in research, starting with statistics, now moving into research methods. Mark Kavanagh, your instructor again this semester, and I will be posting these videos each week, keeping us up to date as to what we're going to be doing together. And this week we are going to be diving right into Chapter 1, but let's take a look at Brightspace and see what I prepared for you. So here we have the entry page into this course. The first link, the overview syllabus, some information about the class, and of course the course book. Make sure that you have that. And then down here, the syllabus for you to print out. The next link is the course timeline. And here you're going to see each chapter and the special assignments that relate to your research project as to when those are due. So I have created for this week a proposals discussion right there. That's going to be a special link, special discussion for us to catch up on where people are at from the project proposal that we did in statistics. We want to make sure that you're not going to necessarily send it to me, that make sure you have those things in it, because you're going to transfer those into the first template for the assignment that we're doing. We're going to be doing this in a very similar way. We'll be taking a single document and you're going to be updating that same document throughout the semester. So those are going to be due during the semester. Gives us plenty of time at the end of the semester to actually collect data. And some of you may quickly move ahead in those things, and that's fine. You can get all of that information into that paper one at a time with fully graded, and then we go on to the next one. The same thing that we did in statistics. In addition to that, you're also learning about research methods, and we see here chapter 1 we're going to be talking about psychological research. The discussion relates to what I refer to as scientific attitude, having that ability to put on that science hat in everyday life. The quiz asks you the purpose of a literature review. I review that in the course book. And we look at naturalistic data versus other kinds of data collection, and what's the difference between naturalistic and all the other kinds of data collection that we have. And finally, in that idea of understanding science, we also know that there is another thing out there. There's myth, there's lies, and there's pseudoscience. And I actually subscribe to a newsletter from a person who runs the Quack Watch website, and that site is dedicated to revealing pseudoscience in all the too good to be true, things that we hear about going on, and he provides the science and the updates and sometimes even the criminal investigations on those things. So it's a very interesting website to learn about all the pseudoscience that's out there, very comprehensive. So the assignment relates to you looking at one of those pseudoscience commentaries and providing some feedback on the evidence that the author uses to contradict the pseudoscience. So that's kind of a busy week as we hit the ground running. Get those proposals ready, go into that discussion, tell me where you're at, go into detail as to where you're going, and then we'll probably go ahead and launch you right into the first of special assignments, which is going to be a revision of your proposal. And then we start that process of feedback, making your way through all of those different assignments. That's our first week. Looking forward to these studies. Looking forward to seeing all you folks in the discussion boards again. Have a great week and welcome back.